Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about complex numbers. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about the Moirve theorem. So we have z equals to a plus bi. Now we need to transform this one into z equal to r cosine theta plus I sine theta. Now if we have z to the power of n, just like this, we have r to the power of n and we have cosine n theta plus I sine n theta. Now we can find about r in here and theta in here. About r, that should be about the absolute value of z equals to the square root of a square plus b square, and cosine theta, that is about a over the square root of a square plus b square, and sine theta, that is about b over this one. Now in this situation, this one, that should be about z equals to the square root of number 3 plus 1i. Now we need to find r in here, so that should be about the square root of number 3 to the power of 2 plus 1 to the power of 2. This one we have number 2. Now we put a, that is about this one, and b, that is about this one. We want to find about cosine theta and sine theta in here. So we have the square root of number 3 over 2. Now you can do similar for this one and they still got the same result, and we can find theta equal to r cosine of the square root of number 3 over 2. So we calculate about this one, and we have b over 6. Now this one we have number 4, that is about z to the power of 4. And we change r, that's about number 2 cosine, and in this situation that's about number 4, and we have b over 6 plus I sine of n equals to number 4, and theta, that's about b over 6. And now we need to simplify this one. 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by this one, we have negative number 8. This one with 2 to the power of 4. So we have a multiplied by the square root of number 3. And we put I in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.